Hey guys, what is up? Today we're going to be doing the one ammo box challenge. So basically, whatever type of ammo you get, you have to use that ammo for the whole game, like the gun that goes to, that ammo goes to. And yeah, my controller disconnected. Perfect. Okay. Okay.
Where
now
are
we're
we
not.
gonna
Okay.
jump?
Let's just jump.
Yeah.
Now.
No, go, 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 go.
So basically, if you get like SMG ammo, you can only use SMG and pistol. Shotgun ammo, you can use shotgun, sniper ammo, and so on.
Wait,
So
SMG and pistol is the same ammo?
Yeah. This guy is literally on top of me. No, I'm on him.
Yeah, make him buy you dinner. Here we go.
You're so
Okay, so I gotta find an ammo box.
Guys, I'm almost there. I'm just counting on the sky.
give me an ammo box. Come on. Here's my ammo box.
Oh, so I got small and shotgun out of an ammo box.
That means you can use minis and, or not, like, SMGs and... I got shotgun ammo. I got shotgun and SMG.
Look up, guys. I'm above you.
I got shotgun and SMG. And heals don't matter. You can grab any heals you want.
Is there a bad guy over here?
Yeah, there's a light that went pow.
Alright, dude. Alright, okay, I'm rocking. So I have an SMG. I've got a shotty. And I'm ready to rock and roll, bro. Oh, dude, I almost shot you, bro. You can't sneak up on me like that. You almost got capped, bro.
I forgot I don't have a...
What do pistols do small?
Yeah. Not the other pistols, but...
There's a bad guy.
SMG.
They're all bad guys.
Every one of them are bad guys, I think. Oh my god!
Haha! Dude, I hopped it out of it. Ah! Henry! He brought a friend!
Lame. I think someone's running after me. Owie! Ah!
Haha, dude! I'm tapping
no.
everybody's ass, bro!
No, yo.
It's like what is these?
What is this?
Oh no, he's getting shot at.
Do we have to
And the
keep
base
inviting her?
keeps running.
And Elsie keeps running. Elsie,
Hey,
why
Henry.
are you all over here?
Henry, you know that one friend who seems like more of a liability than help?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, Elsie. Yeah. Like, dude. Okay. Elsie, do you need some shield? I've got some
Sorry, please.
Mine was pretty good.
like
So
I could,
I am praying right now that I get something good out of this supply drop that I called in.
What is this? It's like a big box that has like
This music is
yellow
actually great.
stuff on it. And now I'm
This
shooting
music is
it.
actually great. This music is actually great, bro.
what is it?
I don't know.
Okay, Elsie, follow us.
I'm trying. It's like I move like a little bit. It goes pow. Yes, it is. Like it's like boom.
I'm hoping for SMG or a shotgun. This could have gone way worse. Oh, it's on my head. It's a shotgun. Let's go.
Dude, you got a banger of a shotgun, dude. Should have took that thing. Holy shit, you hit the car, bud.
Guys, what are shield
Holy shit.
breakers?
Throw him down.
Oh,
Right next to
guys,
you.
I I hear a car.
Yeah, that's us.
Run!
All right, Henry, let's go over to that shooting.
Why is everyone?
Get on top, Elsie.
Get on top of the car.
That's not very nice.
Did it break your
on.
shield?
Get on top. Ellie, stop. Don't throw it at the car.
Uh oh, I missed.
There's a big
Get
shield
in,
down
Elsie.
there.
Oh, thank you. Ellie,
Oh,
get
Something
in.
happened.
Get on top. Ellie, get on
Okay,
top.
getting.
Elsie. Ellie, you got sniped.
Run, everyone.
we're not running, we're driving.
I see him, guys. Don't worry. I'm gonna shoot him. I'm gonna crank some 90s. Uh-oh. I didn't crank any 90s. Crank it 90s.
Go, go, Dad, go, go, go. Dad, go, Dad, go. You good? They're focusing you. They're focusing you.
Damn, son of a bitch.
You're gonna have to go through me first.
Special Ed strikes again.
Oh, motherfucker! Shit show over here. Holy shit, did you kill them all?
Meh.
Dude, go reboot us so we can come back here and get all the goody goods, dude. No more
Goodies.
swearing either, Elsie. No more swearing, Elsie. Family friendly.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, tater nuts. Tater nuts.
2 U's. It's not tater nuts, it's tater nuts.
Tater
Talking
nuts.
shield. I can see.
Watch, I know how to say it. Tater nuts.
Pop the shields on the way over to the reboot over there, dude.
I can't
hit
because
it
then
with
I need my stuff then. There, I got
Dude,
mine.
I can hit it with it. I can hit that reboot with a golf ball if I had it. It's close.
I don't have a golf ball though.
I know.
I
said
could
if
hit it
had
with I could hit it with Yeah, same.
I feel bad. I just killed a fishy. I feel so bad.
Yeah, well, shit happens. Stuff happens. Here we go.
Did it.
Dude. No wonder the buttons on your controller stopped working. Dude, you hit them so fast.
Wait, what?
Dude, reboot us!
I'm hitting a shot with a pickaxe. There's more people trying to steal our loot, bro. What is happening?
Dude, you never rebooted us!
I'm gonna win. They're not.
I called the
Whoops. Wait,
bit.
mantle! Hurdle, there we go. Okay.
Guys. Okay.
Oh, flying forward?
Oh my god. Let's go. Please. Be something good.
Oh, dude. I can do a pistol too, right, bud?
Yes, I have such a good shotgun. Oh my god, it's way better than that.
A pistol?
Pistol! Where are we going? Okay.
I am for 97. There's no way I nick all those.
Hey, what's your name?
What are these wings? They look like unicorn wings.
Unicorns aren't real, dude.
Yeah, I know that, but like the Icarus, the wings of Icarus.
Icarus.
Icarus. It's actually Icarus.
I knew that, and guess how goated I am? I have 3 full weapons.
You have
That's
3
not
full
very
weapons.
nice.
You guess how much kills I have? Guess how much kills I have, guys?
15?
How do we?
16 actually.
How do we use it?
Oh yeah, that guy's
Right.
one shot. I think I had a one shot. And then he just left me, and then I started fighting more people.
I finished him off, bro.
Whoa!
Do you want to go to island?
No.
Island have a decent loadout. Like you just don't care.
Does anyone have shields?
Keep doing it, Harris. Jump down on him, fool.
Where'd he go? He's over here, over here. He went over here. He's in the bush. Go diving, go diving. Come on, where's Dad? Let's go.
Haha.
Let me guess. Elsie's just gonna fly there.
Probably.
Dude, we've been banging pretty hard. I got
know.
five. I got 5 limbs.
Wait, is this? Oh, I love this SMG. Give me that. I'm trading that any day. Wings. I don't really need those, so I'm just gonna take this SMG. Doesn't have a laser? Are you kidding? Now I have to add the laser myself.
Dude, I just gotta. Oh shit!
Go over here. I'll keep in a battle with the floor.
Hold on. My monitor went dark.
Huh? Oh, I almost
Alright.
fell
Guys.
off.
I just shut it
Help,
off and turned it
guys.
back on. Hold on.
Help, guys.
Oh, there we go.
I don't have any more. Uh-oh.
Now see, how'd you die?
Some guy killed me.
Because you didn't have any more uh-ohs?
I'm right here.
Okay.
Didn't have to build, buddy.
Are you on top of us or below?
I'm in the
This
water.
guy's actually super good. This guy's actually super good.
I just got a water reminder to drink some water. Luckily, I'm in the ocean.
Oh, dude. This is good.
I'm gonna be nice and give all my weapons to a person.
He's going up, he's going up, he's going up. I hit him 32. Let's go up, Dad.
Help, guys.
I'm dead. How did he kill me? How did he kill me? Dad. Dad, he's coming, Dad, he's coming. He's one tap, Dad, he's one tap. He's one tap, he's one tap. Oh god. Oh, he's right there behind you, Dad. Stay in zone, Dad, stay in zone, stay in zone.
Oh!
Oh, Dad, zone!